reflections and how to do reflections, both using some rules that we came up with here for some special occasions, or visually doing it on the graph. So according to the rule here, we're going to change the sign for the x coordinate. That's how we got the -3. And we're going to keep the sign for our y coordinate. So that's how we get the 2. So that means that r prime will have that location, -3, comma 2. So I'm going to go ahead and plot r prime. And we can do the same process for all the other 2 points, for f and also for p. Or I can visually do it on the graph here, since I've provided the image here. So this red line that I drew is our reflection line. So we know that when we're reflecting points that are not on the reflection line, they're going to be the same distance from the reflection line. So if I count how far each of these points are on our triangle, then I would get our reflection points. So if I count again here, it's 3. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that 4. And I'm going to go ahead and put 3 units instead of 4, since we're moving 3 squares to get to the reflection line. And that's how we got r prime, although we already had it there. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply our reflection visually for the rest of the points. So f is 1 unit away. So f prime would also be 1 unit away from the reflection line. Apply the same strategy for p, and that would be our location for p prime. Now I'm going to go ahead and just erase all these lines or half circles that I drew when I was counting. That way I don't have too many things going on my graph. So here's my triangle after I reflected across our y-axis. So they should be the same shape, and our triangle should also be the same size. Let's go ahead and look at that second problem. So now we're going to go ahead and reflect over the x-axis, which we also have our little rule here. So we keep the same x coordinate, and we change the sign for the y coordinate. So our c prime would have that location, -5, comma, -1. Let me go ahead and graph our line that we're reflecting over, which is the x-axis. So we can apply the rule to every point, or we can visually count how far each point is from the reflection line, and that's how we would get our mu points. So I'm just going to go ahead by applying the rule. So for m prime, our x stays the same. Our y will become the opposite sign. So our y for m is 6. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at -6. Our y for w is 6 also. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at -6 as well. Remember, your x's stay the same. So here's my quadrilateral after I reflected over our x-axis.